Welcome everyone. We will be discussing about pomegranate aril extractor in the following presentation. Pomegranate is a fruit that is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and it is good for digestion. But it is a very tedious process to separate the arils from the peel of the pomegranate, and hence a machine has been designed by ICR Sifit Ludhiana, which is used to separate the arils from the pomegranate fruits. It operates at an capacity of 500 kg per hour, and the aerial extraction efficiency is greater than 90%. The major advantage of this machine is that the quality of the aerial separated is high and the drudgery of the labor is reduced. Also, it is a completely mechanized system, so the uh, quality of the produced aerials is very nice. It costs about rupees 4 lakhs. As you can see in the figure, when the whole fruit is put into the machine, the peels are separated and the separated arils can be collected in the separate container. These are the technical details of the machine. Uh, the aerial extraction capacity is 35 to 40 fruits per minute. The electrical power required to operate this machine is 0.75 kilowatts, and the manual power required is about 3 persons. The weight of the machine is 250 kg. The working of the machine is explained in the following video. Here we can see that the calyx of the pomegranate are separated manually by a person, and then the fruits are fed into the fruit feeder. In the machine, the peel of the fruit is separated into a separate container, whereas the arils of the pomegranate they are collected separately. We can see that the quality of the extracted arils of the pomegranate is very good, and there is no part of membrane on the arils. Hence, the efficiency is greater than 95%, and this method is better than the manual separation of the arils from the pomegranate fruit. For further information, the contact details are given, and we would be glad to assist you with any kind of queries regarding the machine.